Imagine booking a flight for less than a fancy dinner out. Picture yourself sipping on a latte at your favorite cafe and then realizing that the cost of that latte is almost the same as a flight to a new destination. It's not a dream, it's the new reality of travel. Surprised? Welcome to the new era of travel. An era where the barriers to exploring the world are crumbling and the possibilities are expanding like never before. Welcome to the Go Farther, Cheaper revolution. This revolution is not just about saving money, it's about making the world more accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget. This shift is changing the game for modern travelers everywhere. No longer do you need to be wealthy to see the wonders of the world. Now, anyone with a bit of planning and a sense of adventure can embark on incredible journeys. Remember when travel used to be a luxury? When the idea of flying to another country was reserved for the elite or for special occasions? High costs and limited options meant dreaming about far-off places was often just that, a dream. The glossy travel brochures and expensive airline tickets were out of reach for many. It kept so many from exploring the world. The dream of seeing new places, experiencing different cultures, and meeting new people was often unattainable. But now, the landscape of travel has transformed dramatically. Thanks to advancements in technology and transportation, things are different. The rise of budget airlines, the proliferation of online booking platforms, and the advent of innovative travel services have revolutionized the way we travel. Budget airlines, online booking platforms, and innovative travel services have made jet-setting accessible to everyone. No longer do you need to save for years to afford a trip abroad. Take Sarah, for example. She's a young professional with a passion for travel, but a limited budget. She flew to Japan for the price of a concert ticket thanks to a last-minute deal she scored online. With a bit of savvy searching and flexibility, she was able to make her dream trip a reality. Her journey is proof that affordable travel is no longer a myth, it's a reality. Sarah's story is just one of many that highlight the incredible opportunities available to today's travelers. So, what does this mean for you? It means that the world is more accessible than ever before. It means that you can explore new destinations, experience different cultures, and create unforgettable memories without breaking the bank. More adventures, more cultures, and more stories to tell. Imagine the tales you'll share with friends and family, the photos you'll take, and the experiences you'll cherish for a lifetime. And the world is waiting, and it's more affordable than ever. With a bit of planning and a willingness to embrace new opportunities, you can embark on journeys that were once out of reach. Share your travel experiences in the comments, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more travel tips and hacks. Your stories can inspire others to take the leap and explore the world. Let's go cheap and go far at Go Cheap Go Far. Join the revolution and discover just how far you can go on a budget. The adventure of a lifetime is just a click away.